I never turned the camera on. It must have turned off. Okay, so let me start over. I haven't even gotten out my other phone yet. Here, let's see here. Let's do this. Let's put the camera down. Just, this is too much fun. Alright. I'm having too much fun. Okay. Let's see here. I'll wave. Can I wave? Okay. Alright, so today is, come on phone, wake up. There we go. It's Wednesday, December 26th, 2018. Okay. That's what shows there. And hopefully, oh gosh. Okay, I just can't keep all this going on here. So that's like that. This is, there, it's Wednesday, 26th December 2018. Okay, great. Now I got that in that camera. Okay, so now, alright, so now, got that going on. Like I said, I bought this from, or I sold this to Tazio a long time ago. It's now my screensaver on my desktop because I really like this model and I can't find one ever anymore. Alright, so now, let me go back into here. Okay, here is a similar model. This is a, anyway, it's similar to this model here, which is a RX5025. Okay, and let's see if I can set this back up on the tripod. Alright, so here's this camera here with the backup. Oh, come on now. You try here. I'll just set this down here for the time being because I need both hands to manipulate this. Alright, so, okay. So that's sitting on the floor. Let me point that thereabouts. Okay, now I've waved that around enough. Now, I'll take this camera here. It's still working, great. We're still alive, great. Okay. Carlos Dante, oh, drat. Video, okay, video was paused. Hopefully it's back live again, I hope. Anyway, so here I'm going to put, wait. I'm back. She's back. You're welcome. I'm shooting a video right now. Okay. Alright, I'm going to close this door in the radio room. Alright, so, you know what happened here? Wait, that's the right camera. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to mount this on the mirror. There we go, great. Oops. This on here. Push that in. Okay, great. So now if I step out of the way, and then, well, that's close enough. Okay. So let me get this here. Pick up this camera. Got what, 4 minutes going on that. What did I just do? Who knows? Anyway, there I am. We're shooting that live on Facebook. Okay, so I only have one shot of this, so there it goes. Alright, okay, so alright, so this is supposed to be, I'm going to rotate this around so I can see. Alright, so this is what I'm looking for. Wait. This is a Panasonic RX5025. It looks like that on top. I'm sorry you can't see because it's in bad light. It's got, right, it's got line, full complement of line in and such, so is this. So here you go. Can you see that? It's got a full complement line in. Looks like that. It's got that kind of controls on top. Alright, great. Okay, so now, okay, so I got scissors. What about the scissors? Here. Scissors are here. Okay, so without further ado, let me get down here. And that thing keeps going wonky, pausing. So, didn't really show that. Hopefully I didn't show that. That's upside down, so let's do like this, upside down this way. Okay, so I don't know if I can be seen in this. Alright, so I'm opening this from the bottom. So, and I bought this from eBay. But The issue was that the person passed on, so the person that helped this person start this listing stepped in and closed it and mailed this to me. So I got it for a, I don't know, fair price. Here it is. Nice and double wrapping. And there's the power cord. Yeah, okay, there it is. Get it out of the way. Just here. Just kind of good. They didn't use a whole bunch of stuff on this. And this is alright, so there we are. So now this, we'll put this right there, right? Scissors up here. And then, so that's what it looks like when you can't see it. So there it is. It looks like that. It's got your full complement of, here, you see that? There, it's got full line in, okay. And it's got tone, balance, volume, selector, tape power off, radio and line in, okay. And it's got your meter off, battery or level, mono stereo, and it's got 4 bands of radio. And it's got your main tuning knob, and your, hard to do this shooting 2 cameras, one live, one not. Alright, so let's see here. Okay. Alright, well, wrong cord, let me try this cord. Alright, so, over here. Oh, there it is, great. So, turn it on. So the radio works, and I brought a CD player, so I want to see if the CD works. Line in. So here is line in red, so red, and that one there. Put it to line in. Right, and we get the CD player. Turn the CD player on. Jump it forward a couple. Hit play. It's in pause mode. There it goes. So that works. So the balance is off. Alright. So let's hit eject on that. Let's turn this off. Let's go to a tape. Take a tape here, drop it in. Hit rewinds. Fast forwards. And it plays. Alright, well I brought batteries here, but I don't want to confuse everybody with that. It's just, it works. It's got, needs a little cleaning, it's a little dusty, it works fine. There it is. I'll make another video of it, much better tripping on. I'm always tripping on something. Okay, fine. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Alright, so, okay, so I just unplug this from that. Alright, so there it is. It works. I've got my toes in some thing there. Okay, and then pick this camera up here and just not drop it all off. Alright, so put that around. Okay, so there it is. It all works nice and pretty. Alright, Yeah, it all works. It's nice and pretty. And that's all I can tell you. Take better pictures of it later. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.